much I love you. As much I need you. And I can't stand you. But everything you do make me want to smile. And I like it for a while. You won't let me. You upset me, boy. And then you keep on living. All of a sudden I forget that I was upset. Can't remember what you did. But I hate you know exactly what to do. So that I can't think that it's true for too long, that's wrong. But I hate it, you know exactly how to touch. So that I don't want to fall apart no more. That I despise, that I adore you, and I hate how much I love you, boy. I can't stand how much fun I wanna hear. And I hate how much I love you, boy. But I just can't let you go. And I hate that I love you so. You completely know the power that you have. Standing on that makes me laugh. And it's not there. How you take the message of the fact that I will be the reason why. And it just ain't right. And I hate how much I love you, but I can't stand how much I need you. And I hate how much I love you, girl, but I just let you go. And I hate that I love you so. One of these days, maybe your magic won't affect me, and your kiss won't make me weak. But no one in this world knows me the way you know me. So have a spell on me. Taga? Sino yung go on yun? Yung Leo? Alam mo, hindi pa tayo gumagawa ng dance video. I just translated the dance. Selena Gomez, I love you! Yeah! Bye! Bye! Bye, Selena, I love you! Bye! I love you, darling. Mwah.